Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your one-stop channel for all things interior and exterior design. Today, we're venturing outdoors to explore the beautiful world of garden patio decor and tips for decorating beautiful outdoor patio with garden theme. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Garden patio decor is the art of transforming your patio into a seamless extension of your indoor living space, but with a vibrant twist. It's about incorporating elements of nature alongside stylish furnishings to create a functional and aesthetically pleasing outdoor haven. Imagine stepping out your back door and being greeted by a flourishing oasis. Decorating your garden patio offers a multitude of benefits. First, expands your living space. A well-decorated patio becomes an additional room, perfect for entertaining, relaxing, or simply enjoying the fresh air. Second, enhances your home's value. A beautifully designed patio increases your home's curb appeal and potential resale value. Third, creates a tranquil retreat. Surround yourself with nature's calming elements and escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Fourth, boosts curb appeal. A well-designed patio makes a stunning first impression for guests and neighbors. Selecting the right furniture is crucial for creating a comfortable and stylish garden patio. Here are some key considerations for best furnishings for garden patio decor. 1. Material. Opt for durable, weather-resistant materials like wicker, teak, wrought iron, or aluminum. These can withstand sun, rain, and harsh weather conditions. 2. Style. Choose furniture that complements your overall aesthetic. For a modern look, sleek lines and neutral tones work well. Rustic spaces benefit from natural materials like wood and wicker, while bohemian styles can incorporate colorful textiles and patterned cushions. 3. Functionality. Think about how you'll use the space. If you plan on entertaining often, consider a dining table and comfortable chairs. For relaxation, choose a comfortable seating arrangement with a coffee table. 4. Seating options. Invest in comfortable chairs with good back support. Consider adding throw pillows and ottomans for additional comfort and lounging. 5. Storage solutions. Include storage ottomans, side tables with built-in drawers, or weatherproof storage containers to keep cushions, throws, and other patio essentials organized. Now, let's dive into the exciting world of garden patio decor. Here are some key steps to consider to answer your question: how do I decorate my patio with a garden theme? First, define your style. Do you prefer a modern, rustic, bohemian, or traditional aesthetic? This will guide your furniture, decor, and plant selections. Second, consider functionality. How will you use your patio? Dining, entertaining, lounging, plan your layout to accommodate your needs. Third, embrace the power of plants. The star of the show. Choose a variety of plants that thrive in your climate and create a lush, inviting atmosphere. Hanging planters, potted succulents, and climbing vines all add visual interest and purify the air. Fourth, furnish for comfort and style. Invest in durable, weather-resistant furniture that complements your chosen aesthetic. Wicker, teak, and wrought iron are all excellent choices. Consider adding comfortable cushions and throws for a touch of luxury. Fifth, layer in the decor. Accentuate your space with decorative elements that reflect your personality. Throw pillows with floral patterns, a nature-inspired rug, or a quirky bird feeder can add a personal touch. Sixth, lighting is key. String lights, lanterns, and strategically placed solar lights create a magical ambience in the evenings. And to complete your inspiration, hear these: the compilation of top 10 best garden patio decor ideas. 1. Create a vertical garden. Utilize wall space with hanging planters or vertical garden systems for a lush, space-saving effect. 2. Introduce water features. The sound of trickling water adds a sense of tranquility and creates a focal point. Consider a small fountain or bird bath. 3. Incorporate outdoor rugs. Ground your space with an outdoor rug that ties your furniture and decor together. 4. Don't forget the walls. Hang outdoor tapestries, mirrors, or artwork for visual interest and added personality. 5. Embrace privacy screens. Create a secluded haven with stylish privacy screens or climbing vines. 6. Add a touch of whimsy. Decorative birdhouses, wind chimes, or a small Zen garden add a playful element. 7. Light up your patio. String lights, lanterns, and strategically placed solar lights set the mood for evening gatherings. 8. Create a cozy seating area. Invest in comfortable outdoor furniture with plush cushions and throws for ultimate relaxation. 9. Build a fire pit or outdoor fireplace. Warm up your space with a fire pit or fireplace for cozy nights under the stars. 10. Incorporate outdoor games. Add a cornhole set, giant Jenga, or a hammock for some fun and relaxation. Your garden patio has the potential to be an extension of your home's beauty and personality. With these tips and ideas, you can create a flourishing oasis that provides relaxation, entertainment, and a connection to nature. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Decor Designs channel for more inspiring interior and exterior. Share your garden patio decor ideas in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to create stunning outdoor retreats. And don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Decor Designs channel for more design inspiration for every corner of your home. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.